Welcome to our hotel, sir. How can I help you today? Hi, I have a reservation under the name Johnson. May I see your ID and confirmation, please? Sure, here you go. Thank you. Let me check your booking. No problem, take your time. I see your reservation, but there seems to be a small issue. What kind of issue? The room type you booked is currently unavailable. That's strange. I booked it 2 weeks ago. I apologize for the inconvenience. So what can you offer instead? We can upgrade you to a suite at no extra charge. That sounds acceptable. Your suite is on the 5th floor with a sea view. Great, I appreciate that. Here is your key card and Wi-Fi password. Thank you very much. Please let us know if you need anything. I will, thanks again. Excuse me, I have a problem with my room. I'm sorry to hear that. What happened? The air conditioner is not working. I'll send someone to fix it immediately. Thank you, it's quite hot. We'll handle it as soon as possible. Also, the room next door is very noisy. I can move you to a quieter room. Yes, please do that. I'll arrange it right away. Thank you for your help. You're welcome, sir. Excuse me, I feel a bit sick now. I'll call a doctor for you. I think I need some medical help. Please stay calm. Help is on the way. Thank you for acting quickly. It's our responsibility to assist you. I feel better now after the doctor's visit. I'm glad to hear that. I'd like to check out tomorrow morning. Certainly, I'll prepare your bill. Can I pay by credit card? Yes, we accept all major cards. Everything looks correct on the bill. Thank you for confirming. Despite the issues, I had a good stay. We truly appreciate your understanding. I will recommend this hotel to others. Thank you, and we hope to see you again. Good morning, ma'am. I'm here to clean your room.
Good morning. Yes, you can come in now.
Thank you. Do you need any special service today?
Yes, could you change the bed sheets, please?
Of course. I will replace them with fresh ones.
Also, can you bring me extra towels?
Sure. How many towels would you like?
I'd like 2 more, please.
No problem. I will bring them right away.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure. Would you like me to vacuum the floor now?
Yes, please. The floor is a bit dirty.
I understand. I will clean it carefully.
Could you also empty the trash bin?
Certainly. Yes, I will take care of it right now.
Thank you. That would be very helpful.
Is everything else in your room okay?
Actually, the air conditioner is not working well.
I understand. I'll have maintenance check it right away. I'm sorry about that. I will report it immediately.
I appreciate your help. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I will ask maintenance to check it.
That would be great. It's quite hot today.
Yes, the weather is very warm this week.
How long will it take to fix the problem?
It should take about 30 minutes.
That sounds good. I can wait.
Would you like some water while you wait?
Yes, that would be nice. Thank you.
I will bring a bottle of water for you.
You are very kind. I appreciate your service.
It's my pleasure to assist you.
Could you clean the bathroom as well?
Yes, I will clean it thoroughly.
Please be careful with my personal items.
Don't worry. I will handle them carefully.
Thank you for being so professional.
You're welcome. That's part of my job.
When will you finish cleaning the room?
I will finish in about 20 minutes.
Okay, I will step out for a while.
That sounds good. I will finish quickly.
Please leave the key on the table when you're done.
Sure, I will leave everything in order.
Thank you again for your help.
You're very welcome, ma'am.
I'm very satisfied with your service.
That means a lot to me. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your stay here.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching our English learning channel. We hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And be sure to watch our next video. See you then!